going to show you how easy it is to use Camtasia 8 to do green or blue screen post-production. So firstly, we need to identify our file with our blue screen or green screen on it, and I've got that here. So I'm going to drag that onto the timeline. Now what's important to understand here is that these different tracks lay on top of each other. So track 3 lays on top of track 2, etc. So my background, I want to have that down on track 1 like this, because it wants to be right at the background. Alright, now I've just stretched that out somewhat. Now, just to add a little bit more value, I want to actually add a few things. So I'm going to leave a little bit of a space here for now, and I'll show you what we need to do to set up our chroma key first of all. Alright, so as you can see, here is the video, and we've got a blue screen in this particular case, and it doesn't extend to the whole dimensions of the image, so I'm just going to crop that off, and you can see what have we got behind. In fact, we can also see an issue here in that our background doesn't extend to the whole image. So what I did then is I just took it off crop, so now we can just manipulate this, and what I'm going to do is just stretch it because it's just a backdrop. It's not as though we're going to distort anything or lose any of the detail. Okay, so we've done that, and now if I just center that, you can see that where I've cut it off, we can see the background but behind it. Now what we want to do is everything that's blue like this, we actually want to delete. So the way we do that is we'll click on the file, and then we're going to go into visual properties, and then we click on remove a color, and then we have to select the color we want to remove. And we do that by selecting this eyedropper and just clicking anywhere on that color, and there you go, it just disappeared. So now, designing my learning experiences to make sure that I'm deliberately... So we've now got our presenter talking in front of that backdrop, and that allows us then to add other details as we require. So in our clip bin, we've identified some other things. So if I grab this image here, it's quite large, but we'll make it smaller, and we can add this as a picture-in-picture if we want to. Another thing we could do though is add some video, or another image. So for example, here I've added some animation of space. So that's really about it. It's just a matter of getting those layers right and removing the color. So good luck.